think I'm gonna try something here on Q's.
Okay.
I don't know how much of a pullback we're gonna get.
Short play.
Yeah.
I see what you're looking at though. I'm gonna wait for that candle to close, or
Yeah. Good call. Good call.
I'm gonna wait. All right, there's the close. Let me see here.
Not in it. Not in it. Not in it. I just wanna
Clarify that, yeah. All right, let's see here. If buyers show some strength here, it's off. Oh wait, dude, we're coming right up to 562 on SPY too.
That's what I'm saying. I'm making a play on Q's off of something that I'm seeing on SPY, which I don't necessarily recommend that. But that's just.
And that's where you're at.
Q's is weaker.
Let me see.
It's just extra confirmation.
Yeah.
I'm in that.
Nice. Nice. Let me see here real quick. 6-2.
Okay, so I'm putting my stop on Q's. I want to say at the top of that candle.
Yeah, 48129. I'm in this.
Okay.
I just got in this as well. I'm in this on SPY.
Okay.
I'm in this on SPY with a 46214 stop. I'm looking to target 560. Oh, that's beautiful. It's beautiful.
All right. All right.
It's a very nice rejection right there. And what this does, depending on how this candle closes, that could become our new stop.
If the bottom wick of that last 5-minute candle.
Bam!
So, whoa. Nice.
Bam, there it goes.
Nice.
Yeah, Q's is definitely pushing really nice right now to the downside.
There we go. Pre-market high coming up on.
Oh, let's go, bro. Oh, it's a phenomenal, very nice trade right there. Come on, I'm getting ready to scale out.
Yeah, I'm scaling out too.
Bro, this could be a monster move. Let's just play it by ear here.
Okay.
I'm looking.
Guys, I'm up 56%.
Yeah, this is ripping.
And I have one runner because I did a small position anyway.
Yeah.
Okay.
Very nice.
Wow, I'm really happy with our patience there.
Me too.
I felt like I missed it so many times.
I know, and look, it all paid off. Coming into open print here on QQQ, if this snaps, bro. Oh
my God.
Bro, this is a beautiful trade right here, Darren. I'm so proud of this trade. Look at this. I'm targeting open print here on SPY. I'm getting ready to lock in.
Yeah, I kind of want to lock this in on Newsday, bro. I can't even lie.
Lock it in, bro. That's a solid fucking trade. I scaled out. I have one contract.
Yeah, me too.
And that's it.
I'm managing my last contract.
Let's see if we can get this. Let's see if we can get this down to open print.
Well, Q's is past open.
Yeah,
Q's
is.
Just in case.
Well, let's play this though, Darren. Think about it. We played beautifully off 5-6-2. What's that telling us, right? That's a very bearish scenario. I'm trying to look at the bigger picture here. It's very bearish. It's very bearish, bro.
Okay, I just took my whole position, bro. I
bro,
70% on a news day.
Oh my God, this is still ripping.
Oh my God.
Bro, so hold on. Low of day.
Wow.
We're coming up on low of day.
You should see this candle on the on the contract chart, the 5-minute
Oh,
candle,
it's
I think I had my entire position inside of one candle.
Bro, this is sick. Look at this. Oh my god. All right, now I'm targeting 55794.
Oh my
Rug
God.
pull. Rug pull. Fucking rug pull. Get it. I can't believe how good we traded this. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. All right.
Oof, yeah,
All right, I just exited
you
that.
got one left?
I exited that.
Left?
I just got out of it.
Oh my god. That's crazy. That's craziness, man.
Oh, that was beautiful. Darren, look at that, dude. That was so beautiful, bro. Oh my god, I'm so proud of the way we traded that, bro. Super patient.
Yeah.
Played the double top off PDH. Zoomed into the 2-minute. Identified the fair value gap. Watched those buyers start getting rug pulled. Entered short. 4-minute move. Over 100% on this trade. You locked in over 70. That was phenomenal, bro. Unbelievable.
Yeah. That's wild. I'm just so happy because literally, like we said, every single Friday I've rushed.
Yeah.
And here I really feel like I waited and almost it felt like I missed it twice.
Yeah.
It felt like I missed it twice. And look what we're left with.
Exactly, bro. Phenomenal. Let me shut.